Hi guys, I know you are looking for a good niche to make your faceless YouTube channel to get many views and for sure make money online. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the best 7 niches to create your own dream with high CPM and for sure making a lot of money. So now let's get started with the first niche in today's video, that is the self-improvement. Like this YouTube channel, Improvement Phil. For sure, here is some videos about how you can overcome some bad habits and how to improve your mindset to be successful in your life, in your career, and something like that, as you see. So for sure, this YouTube channel combines a lot of footage from some videos, films, TV shows, some talk show, and so on to create their video and convey their message. Like this one, knowing when to walk away, and so on. So the first niche to create your successful YouTube channel, that is about self-improvement. And the second niche, of course, is about psychology. Like this one, top think. So here it gives you a lot of pieces of advice and instructions to how to be good in your life and for your mentality and so on, like 12 habits to enhance your memory and so on. And for sure you can get all these illustrations and these video scenes simply from canva.com. Simply can head over to canva.com and look for a template for your video. Then you can head over to element section and search for different illustrations to make your video scene, like a man waving illustration and so on. So you can create your own videos simply only by using canva.com and this amazing psychology niche. And as well this amazing YouTube channel, that is J Wisdom. Here, it's a unique YouTube channel that gathers a lot of subscribers just by posting 26 videos. But here, this YouTube channel is specialized in the dark side of different popular figures and actresses, and so on. So it discussed about them and analyze the personality and their psychology in these movies, in these series, and so on. Like this one, dark psychology of Drake and so forth. So it gets a lot of views as you observe. So you can go through deeper in this one as a sub niches of the psychology niche to create your script from ChatGPT, or you can write down yourself and get your scenes from different sources all over from the internet. And the third niche, you can create your faceless YouTube channel to earn a lot of money. That is health and wellness, like this one, Pisty Health. Any YouTube channel, any content talking about health, how to be fit, how to be good in shape, and so on. It's beautiful and attract many viewers and many subscribers and money, like this one and these videos. Thus, you can create all these ones using any software like PowerPoint, presentation maker, something like that. And of course, canva.com. And the fourth niche to create your YouTube channel, it's about the history. Anything talking about the old and ancient people and the old events. Here you can get more views as you see using the AI power, like this one, history verse. For sure, it's based on making a lot of chores that gets huge amounts of views as you see. So you can create these videos simply using any AI image generators like Midjourney, Leonardo, Ideogram, and so on. And you combine all these scenes and these images to create your own short video as you observe. And then insert these dynamic captions using CapCut. In addition, a lifelike voiceover that you can get from 11 Labs and so on. And the next niche is about the book summary, like this one, Escaping Ordinary, Here you can find a lot of videos talking about many books in deeper analysis as you see. And this one, for example, book every day. Just take any book to analyze and summarize it while using an animated background or a stock video in the entire video. Just you can use your natural voiceover or any AI generated voiceover to discuss about this amazing book. And of course, you can use this amazing YouTube channel to promote anything you want, like audiobooks, books from Amazon.com, and something like that. And the next niche to create your Faceless YouTube channel, that's about any business stories, any successful story about business and entrepreneurs and so on, like this one, Magnets Media. And here you can find a huge amount of these videos with high quality that you can feel as you're watching Netflix or any premium software. So it pays more attention to these thumbnails to attract many viewers and many subscribers. So you've got to put some effort to create your videos using some animation, stock footage, and so on. And of course, lifelike voiceover. So this YouTube channel is about business stories. And the final niche to create your YouTube channel to earn money online, that's about any AI updates, any new news about AI technology and so on, like this one, the AI Dread. All its content about the most and the latest news about AI, any tools, any video editing tools, image generators, and so on, as you observe. So you can find many people nowadays are interested in the news to take advantage of in their businesses and their work. So you got to know the best niches to create your fastest and successful YouTube channel. So by the end of the video, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.